तो करीम है तो रहीम है, तेरी ज़ात सबसे अजीम है। नहीं कोई तुझसा है दूसरा, तो खबीर है तो अलीम है। ये लताफतें ये इनायतें ये तेरे करम की वजाहतें। जो चमन में है तो नसीम है, जो गलों में है तो शमीम है।
My honorable director, respected principal, and my dear teachers. I am Mr. Salman Khan from class 9th Pink. Cordially welcome you all to the morning assembly. My dear friend, as you know that we are starting every work form the beautiful name of Allah as. Like that, for recitation of Holy Quran, I would like to call Mr. Tayyab, Tahir and Abu Bakar to recite some verses from Holy Quran with Urdu and English translation. Mr. Tahir and his friends.
वल्लाह के ये मुख खुदा दाद रहेगा। आज़ाद था आज़ाद है आज़ाद रहेगा।
After the recitation of the Holy Quran now, it's the dawn of national anthem, so now I would like Safir, Ibrahim, Aftab to come on the stage to sing national anthem. It is requested to all my fellows to sing it. With to all fellows to sing it with full zeal and zest. Please.
है दुआ याद मगर हरफ दुआ याद नहीं। बढ़िए दुआ याद मगर हरफ दुआ याद नहीं। मेरे नगमात को अंदाज नवा याद नहीं।
To include my assembly, I would like to request Mr. Irfan Ali to present dua in front of you.
जहाँ राम होती है मीठी ज़बान से, जहाँ राम होती है मीठी ज़बान से, नहीं लगती इसमें मेहनत ज़्यादा।
And now I invite the Amir of my class to come on the stage and present the song in good form. After the Milli song, it is the turn of Kalam Iqbal to present Kalam Iqbal. I invite Imran to come on stage and present Kalam in a beautiful voice. At the end of assembly, Mr. Talha will come to the stage to deliver Massage of the Day. Our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam quoted that cleanliness is the half of faith. So I would like for request the Judge Penal to check the cleanliness of class 9th Pink. Please stand up. Wish you all the best and thanks to all of you.